Hello, my name is Josh Harmon. I'm the service manager here at Waconia Ford, your hometown Ford dealer since 1925. If you have a couple minutes, I would like to discuss something. Oil is the lifeblood of a healthy automobile. To keep your vehicle operating as smoothly as possible, on a regular basis, you should routinely check your oil level. To do so, you first need to pull your vehicle over to a safe, flat area off to the side of the road. Lift the hood of the car and search for the dipstick. It's typically identified by a bright colored cap with the word oil printed on it. Withdraw the dipstick and wipe it down with a rag, then return it and withdraw it again. On the dipstick, you will see two holes or marks and a line at the bottom. If the oil level is between those two holes, then you can return the dipstick and get back on the road. However, if the level only reaches the line on the bottom of the stick, then a refill is in order. Remember to always keep a bottled quart of oil in your vehicle in case an emergency change is needed. Waconia Ford service technicians are highly trained to address and treat any automotive concerns that come their way. To schedule your service appointment, visit www.waconiaford.com. Click on the Service tab, click on the Schedule Service dropdown to submit your appointment request. Thank you, we look forward to seeing you.